Come on, buddy, let's go. There's packed pollen up here with all the different colors. Yeah, it's pretty cool. These are other bees that are about to be born. There's no eggs in this one actually, but here he is making progress. It's coming out. These bees are cleaning out these trees here. Come on, buddy, crawl out. It's just twins. This is actually a new one right here. So right there. Baby, just out of the womb, fresh. This guy's calling. He's gonna take a minute though, so I'm gonna get back to him. So here is one of my frames for my hive. I actually took this out because I wanted to give my bees a little bit more space. I thought they were a little bit too crammed, so I took one frame out. And the frame I took out, it's actually really interesting because up here we have capped honey, and down here we have uncapped honey. Do you know what the difference is between them both? The difference is this uncapped honey still has a little bit of water in it, and the bees are still working to evaporate all the water from this nectar or honey here. This capped honey means that it's ready to go. It's perfect honey that has been, all the water has been evaporated. And this honey, do you know how long it's going to last? This honey, if you keep it in a safe spot, it should last forever. They've actually found honey in ancient tombs where they've opened it up and they're able to eat it. That's pretty amazing. So I'm actually still able to eat this honey that's uncapped because it's fresh, but if it was old, you might want to be careful because there could be bacteria in it. But this is the frame. This is what it looks like. Let's get scraping. I have everything I need. I have my strainer. I have my scraper to scrape off the hive. And then I have my big bowl where all the honey is going to fall into. So, all this honey will get separated from the wax, the strainer here, when I scrape it. And after I wait a while, I should have some nice honey. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I can get a close-up for y'all. So that's what it is. Scrapes it. You can see the honey flowing. There we go. That's how you get honey. Alright, so here we go. I have let this sit for about a day and a half. And here we go. This is the honeycomb that we had. And this was all full of honey at one point. All I did was scrape it out. And look at it. It's completely empty now. It's pretty cool. Maybe not completely empty, but almost all the honey's gone from it. Pretty cool. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to put it in a separate container. Because you can use honey wax, or beeswax actually. You can make food wraps out of them. Let's make sure, yeah, they're all empty. That's pretty cool. It just flows right out. You can make beeswax wraps out of them. You can make candles. There are a lot of things you can do with it. So I'm going to save these. Alright, so that's absolutely wild. From half a frame, I got all this honey. Boom, 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 boom. As you can tell, this one has a lot of stuff in it. That's actually, right here, just a little piece of the beeswax, and the other stuff might be little specks of pollen, but all of it's edible, and if I'm really nervous about it, I can just pick it out. But it's not bad. Look at these ones. Nice and clean, little specks, probably pollen. Here we go.